Hey, Kern County buyers, congratulations to new buyers who are looking to buy their first home. Now you got to figure out many things that you should do. What about the things that you shouldn't? My name is Gary Grawal, and I will share 5 things with you that you should never do during the home buying process. Don't do it alone. If you're serious about buying a home, find an agent that you can trust. A realtor can help you achieve your home ownership dream with way less stress than you would do it alone. If you need help finding a realtor that you can trust, please reach out. I partner with some of the best. Don't change jobs. It's tempting to start looking for a job closer to your new home, but stick it out until you have completely done with the process. It's important to maintain consistency in your job and salary, because we're using that information to secure your home loan. Don't make big purchases. I get it, new home means new things, whether it's a washer, dryer, or something big like a new car. When you're buying a home, your credit is being looked at. Large purchases could hurt your credit score, which will put your new home on the line. Don't stop saving. So you have saved enough for your down payment, that's great. But remember, you have to have enough funds to cover closing costs, repairs, moving costs, and more. Don't stop saving just because you have enough for your down payment. Don't forget to get qualified. Before you head out to open house, take 5 minutes to fill out our pre-qualification form. If you're pre-qualified before you submit your offer, you will stand out from the crowd. Take the first step in home buying process by clicking the link below. If you need help getting started, reach out. My team and I would love to help. You can email us at grewalteam@houseloan.com, or you can call us at 661-586-2905. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and share this video. See you next time.